Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're a parent looking for a gift that's equal parts fun, creative, and actually useful, stick around. This one's for you. Today, I'm sharing my honest take on the July 7th Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. A craft meets practicality set that promises to turn a simple water bottle into a personalized masterpiece. As a mom of a very imaginative 5-year-old, I'm always on the hunt for activities that spark joy and keep her off screens for more than 5 minutes. This kit caught my eye because it's not just about drinking water. It's about creating something she can be proud of. Priced at just $14, it comes with everything a little artist could want: paints, stickers, rhinestones, and even a fun bonus toy. I'll walk you through how it went from box to masterpiece, what I loved, and a few things I wish were a bit sturdier. Let's dive in. Oh, sweetie, if you love unicorns, rainbows, and lots of sparkles, this water bottle kit is going to make your eyes pop like confetti. I got it for my little 5-year-old, who's totally obsessed with all things magical, and let me tell you, the second she saw the mermaid and unicorn themed stickers, rhinestones, and glittery paints, she practically giggled her way through the whole decorating process. The stainless steel bottle itself is super cute, shiny, just the right size for her tiny hands, and it has that fun flip-top lid that's easy for kids to open and close. She even added the Pop It keychain, which, by the way, is the cutest little sensory toy, and now she carries it around like her royal treasure. Seriously, she hasn't let it out of her sight since she finished decorating it. She takes it to school, to ballet class, and even insists on bringing it to the dinner table. It's become her little piece of art, and she's so proud of it. One of the things I really appreciate is how this kit encourages creativity. Instead of just handing her another toy, this one gives her the tools to make something uniquely hers. I sat with her at the kitchen table one Saturday morning, and we turned it into a little mother-daughter craft session. She loved painting the ombre rainbow effect. It came out so vibrant and pretty, even if it did take a few tries and a paper towel or three. The pre-cut stickers and 3D foam designs are a huge help. No scissors needed, which is perfect for little ones who are still working on their fine motor skills. And the rhinestones? Oh, they're like mini jewels to her. She placed every single one with the focus of a trained jeweler. It was such a joyful, screen-free activity, and it gave her a real sense of accomplishment. I love that she can look at it now and say, I made this all by myself. That kind of confidence, priceless. In terms of everyday use, the bottle works really well for a busy kid. It's the perfect size, not too big to carry, not too small to forget water throughout the day. I've tossed it in her backpack after dance class, and no leaks. Huge win in my book. The flip-top lid seals tight, which means no soggy homework or wet clothes. I also love that it's BPA free. As a mom, I always check those details. But here's the honest part. I did have to talk to my daughter about being gentle with the lid. After a few weeks of enthusiastic flipping, it started wiggling a bit. And one day it cracked when she dropped it. Now, considering she's 5 and drops everything, I get it, but still, a bit more durability would have been nice. We've taped it for now, mom life, but I might need to get a backup lid eventually. It's not a deal breaker, but if your child is a rough and tumble kind of kid, just have your toolkit ready. It's the one little flaw in an otherwise magical package. Another thing I noticed, not everything they show in the pictures actually comes in the kit. I was a bit disappointed there weren't more sticker sheets, or that some of the fancier designs I saw online weren't included. And the stickers themselves? A little hit or miss. Some stick like they're meant to live on that bottle forever. But others, they started peeling at the corners after just a few days, especially if she washed it. The rhinestones are even trickier. They look gorgeous at first, but I've already found a few on the floor after we cleaned up. I don't blame her. She didn't do anything wrong. I think the glue on them just isn't strong enough for daily use, which is a bummer because they really are the crowning jewel of the design. We ended up adding a bit of kid-safe glue to seal them, which helped, but it wasn't part of the original plan. So, Maybe keep a tiny bottle of glue on hand for touch ups, especially if your kiddo wants to show it off at school. Despite those small hiccups, I'd still recommend this, especially as a birthday gift or holiday surprise. Think about it, it's part water bottle, part craft kit, part glittery treasure chest. You're not just giving a toy, you're giving an experience. My niece got one too, and her mom told me they spent hours decorating it together over the weekend. That's quality time right there. And since it's for ages 4 to 10, it's super versatile. My 4-year-old cousin could do it with a little help, while my older niece, who's 9, still thought it was cool enough to personalize. It's not just for unicorn fans. Any kid who loves arts and crafts will get a kick out of it. I can see this being a hit at slumber parties, as a rainy day activity, or even as a creative alternative to screen time. Plus, how sweet is it when your child refuses to drink from anything else because they made it? At $14, it's a great value for what you get. You've got a reusable stainless steel bottle, quality paint, a bunch of stickers, rhinestones, and that adorable keychain, all bundled together in a way that feels special. It's not just another plastic toy that'll break in 2 days. Sure, the lid could be sturdier and the stickers could stick better, but the joy it brings? That's worth more than any sticker. Watching my daughter beam with pride every time she shows it off to her friends, or when she reminds me, Mommy, I painted this rainbow. That's the good stuff. It's made her more excited to drink water, which, let's be real, is half the battle with little ones. So if your child loves color, creativity, and a little bit of magic in their day, this kit is a fantastic choice. Just maybe keep a backup bottle on the shelf and embrace the glitter. Because trust me, you will find sparkles everywhere for weeks. If your little artist would light up at a chance to create their own magical masterpiece, this kit is pure gold. Don't forget to sprinkle some love on that like button and join our little community of creative moms and kids. Subscribe so we can share more joy, one glitter filled craft at a time.